How to delete your avatar on Roblox. This tutorial shows you how to remove or edit your existing avatar outfits. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Next, tap on the Avatar tab at the bottom center of the screen. Following that, by default, you'll be on the Marketplace tab. Now, tap on Customize at the top of your screen. Moving forward, you'll see all your existing avatars displayed. Afterwards, tap on the plus icon that says Add Edit. In addition to that, from the pop-up that appears, choose Manage Avatars. Once there, select the avatar you want to delete or edit. Subsequently, if you want to delete it, tap the trash icon at the bottom right. Alternatively, if you just want to change or edit your avatar, tap the pencil icon at the bottom left. Once done editing, make sure to save your changes. And that's it. If this avatar deletion guide helped you organize your Roblox outfits, give it a like, subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.